Hello, besties. This is Dina, your social media coach and digital marketing strategist here at PetrelliReviews.com to bring you 3 tips on how to help your business not only survive but thrive during these difficult times. All right, so tip number 1 is be visible. Goes without saying that everybody's online right now. Everyone is spending so much time on social media and their digital devices, whether that's on websites, whether that's on Netflix or shopping. People are online all the time because they have nothing else to do. This is the perfect opportunity for you to showcase you, your brand, your business, your products, your services. You need to be there so that you're top of mind to your existing followers and clients, but also to potential ideal clients who may purchase from you in the future. They say that it takes about approximately 5 to 7 touch points in order to convert a person from following into a customer. And the way that you can do that is build the like, know, and trust factor through being visible on social media and other digital marketing platforms. Whether you are doing Zoom meetings or YouTube, it doesn't matter. You just need to have that visibility. And even though it's hard right now to get on and smile and talk about the different things that are going on, people understand and they appreciate that authenticity and they relate to what you're going through. And if you can be a voice of inspiration or offer them helpful tips and tricks during this hard time, they will love you for that. And they will not forget you either. So when it comes time to purchase, you will be top of mind and you'll be the first one in line. Okay, so my second tip is to be creative in transitioning to digital. That can mean so many things. You know, in our businesses, we always think of our products and services kind of in a very secular way, but this is the time where we got to get creative and think outside the box. Okay, and thinking outside the box is doing things like transitioning products and services that were typically physical products and services into digital counterparts. So to give you an example, I have been transitioning a bunch of my clients over the last few months into exclusively 100% digital businesses, whether they were a brick and mortar or just anything. Now we've transitioned them. I have taken a yoga coach who had clients who would come into the studio and learn yoga. I have set her up with a online school platform so that she can teach her students virtually through a membership. They can join her and continue to be her patron, and they're able to keep their health in check. She's able to keep her business's financial health in check. It's a win-win situation. Another example is doctors setting up telehealth visits instead of in-person visits. Another great example was a restaurant that we had. They had a problem. People were not able to come into the restaurant anymore. They had inventory that was being shipped in, food goods, and with no one to sell it to because people were reluctant to order to-go food. So they needed to A, get rid of that inventory, B, keep people employed, and C, ramp up their efforts for these to-go orders. So how do we accomplish that? Well, we decided to run a campaign where the restaurant would offer, if people ordered prepared foods, then they would have the option each week to add on a food meal kit of raw ingredients in this little food kit, in this meal kit. And so this enabled them to sell some prepared products to keep their employees working. It enabled them to unload product that was going to go to waste and sell it to people who really needed it, who were at home. They could just drive up, pick up their box of food plus their prepared food every week, and they didn't have to go to a grocery store or risk being out amongst a bunch of people. And how we accomplished this also was to make sure that they were very visible on their social media platforms, letting their customers and potential customers know, hey, this is a new thing we have with our business. This is what you can do. This is how you can order. Hit us up in the DM, direct messages, private messages, whatever. This is how it works. This is how much it cost. And people took action. It really invigorated and encouraged people to get back into ordering prepared foods and getting these meal boxes. It helped save some employees from being laid off. It brought the business revenue. But again, it's about being creative and transitioning that mindset to think of something else that you can do for your business that might be outside the box but could work. For example, let's say you have a boutique, a clothing boutique, and normally people come in and shop. Well, guess what? They can't come in and shop. How about hosting a virtual fashion show? Do it on your Instagram Live, your Facebook Live. Heck, do a Zoom meeting. Everybody's doing Zooms now. You could do it just about anywhere, even on your Facebook. You host this virtual fashion show and you show people the new styles and inventory that you have in. You explain the fabrics, the feel, the fit, everything about those products. And then you let them know how much they are, how they can purchase, give them a call to action, basically saying, click the link here, or whatever you want to do. And then let them know how their items will be delivered and when they'll be delivered so that you can have the same type of experience in a little bit different way, in a virtual way, for your potential customers or clients. Okay, and then tip number 3 is you want to make sure that you're set up for this digital transition, right? If you all of a sudden you go digital and you don't have the automated systems in place, either it's on your website or on your socials, ready to handle this, you're going to have an issue. So you want to make sure that you have the systems in place. Do you have an email system where you can collect leads? Do you have a lead magnet that you can offer a free freebie and then send them to sign up for an email list in order to get that? And then do you have an automated email system that's going to go ahead and send them an email sequence on autopilot on your behalf? These are things that you need to have in place and systematized. Also, is your website ready? Do you have your new digital products and services on your website able to be purchased with a link going to a shopping cart to facilitate that transaction? These are all really important things. So make sure that you have the systems and automations in place. Now, listen, if you need help with these, I have been helping people set up their email accounts, their auto sequences, their email sequences, so everything's on autopilot, helping them with their WordPress, setting up their products. I've even been helping people transition their physical products into digital counterparts that they could sell. I have been coaching and just helping people be creative on how they can pivot and just basically do a 360 and offer their products and services in this market to not only survive, but thrive. So if you need help, you can always contact me at petrellireviews.com, or you can email me at info@petrellireviews.com. Now, before you go, I promised you some gifts, and that I would love to deliver. Like I said, everyone's going digital, and I know a ton of my clients have been calling me, SOS, I need help with Zoom. No problem, besties. I got you. So after so many calls and different things that were occurring on different people's Zooms, I decided to put together a free Zoom kit. You can get your free Zoom kit. Just click the link that is with this video and it will direct you on how you can download the free Zoom kit. Here's what's in the free Zoom kit. I have put together my best Zoom tips and tricks on a checklist for you in a downloadable PDF. This will allow you to avoid some major mistakes. It will also help you show up professional in every presentation that you do, so you have all your ducks in a row and you can present with confidence and power and deliver your message. All right, in addition to getting my fancy tips and tricks checklist that's going to help you out, I also have had a ton of clients tell me, oh my gosh, Dina, I can't do social, I can't do live because my house is a mess, or my kids are so loud, or they're on Zoom with their teachers, and I have to go in the garage, or I have to go in the bathroom, or I have to go in my car to take my Zoom meetings. No problem, bestie. Guess what? If it's digital marketing, you bet your buns I got something in my pocket here to help you out. Your girl's here, don't worry. I'm going to hook you up in your free Zoom kit with 3 virtual backgrounds, just like the one behind me, so that if you are somewhere that is less than ideal for doing your Zoom meeting, you can pop in one of these virtual backgrounds and make sure that your presentation comes off looking super professional and polished. All right, so don't forget to click the link accompanied with this video to grab your free Zoom kit. And as always, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Let me know how it's helped you and share it with your friends and family. Other people might know this. You know other business owners? Share the video with them. Get the word out so they can get their free Zoom kit also. And if you need help, you know where to find me, petrellareviews.com, or you can hook up with me and talk to me on any of my social media. I'm on Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, Twitter, you name it. I'm everywhere under the same name on every single platform at Petrella Reviews. With gratitude and love, thank you for being here. Stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you soon.